nice to see everyone. So happy to see you face to face. Hi
Grabe,
guys.
Janine, napaka-fresh mo today.
Oh, thank you so much. Ikaw din, you look great.
Thank you so much. Siyempre, very on-brand tayo with BeautyCon, di ba? Very same. Alright, Janine, thank you so much, of course, for gracing us with your wonderful presence, of course, in behalf of BO10. Now, why don't you say hi to everybody here? Mag-hi ka naman, Janine.
Yes, hello! Hello! Sa lahat ng mga nandito, thank you for coming all the way here to support me and BO10. Kamusta po kayo? And hello to everyone at the back na talagang hindi maistorbo sa kaka-shopping. I heard that the BeautyCon is full capacity, so congratulations to all beauty lovers and to Watsons, of course, and my BO10 family.
Yes, grabe, can you believe it? I mean, we are so thankful that dinayuhan talaga tayo here for the last day of BeautyCon, right? Now, Janine, I know you came here for a reason because you wanted to talk about something very exciting. Actually, one of the newest products of BO10, and what is that? Maybe you want to share with us.
Yes, that's right. I'm so excited because the BO10 booth is right there. So hopefully, after kong ikwento sa inyo kung ano bang mga favorite ko na BO10 products, you can go check them out. But I am here personally to tell you guys about my favorite BO10 line, which is the Hydro XL line.
Okay, now before we dive into that, kasi medyo mahaba-habang chika to, Janine,
Okay.
let's grab a seat first.
Sige, sige.
Baka mangalay tayo dito sa stage. Okay, so going back, Hydro XL, can you tell us more about it, please?
Actually, it's so funny that you said before we dive into it, kasi yung Hydro XL line is really about diving into unparalleled moisture. Moisture, diba? It's something that us Filipinas really, really need to get that glowing, radiant, smooth skin. Kasi ang init na, diba guys? Sobrang init na sa labas and we really live in a hot country. So it's important to keep our skin moisturized and hydrated all the time. And Hydro XL is the perfect line for that.
Correct. I mean, the name speaks for itself, diba? Hydro XL. Naku, no pun intended pala tayo dito.
Yes.
Dive in. Alright, so also guys, by the way, you might not know this, but BO10 turns nature's power into power for women's beauty. So BO10, what I love about the brand actually is not only does it advocate for women, but also it's a very sustainable brand. It always keeps the environment and nature in mind, and it's also naturally effective, skin-friendly, and sustainable as well. So BO10 even won last year's Watsons HWB Awards rather for facial toner and facial moisturizer of the year. Fun fact, everybody. Okay, now speaking of, Janine, do you have any recommendations or favorite products that you use from BO10 that you want to share with everybody here?
Yes, so actually it's really hard to choose a favorite product. So I'll just say that my favorite line really is the Hydro XL line. Kasi ako personally, ang mga problems ko sa skin is dryness. My skin is always dry and it's also sensitive. So, minsan palagi akong namumula, lalo na kapag mainit or kapag syempre naaarawan tayo or nagme-makeup tayo, diba? Sometimes it can damage your skin. So, the Hydro XL line is my favorite. And my favorite product, sana tignan nyo later in the BO10 booth. Of course, first is the Micellar Cleansing Gel. So this is what I use as my facial wash. I use it morning and night. And it's the perfect facial wash and cleansing gel kasi it's good for sensitive skin. But at the same time, it can remove your makeup, even the waterproof makeup.
Ay, talaga?
Yeah.
Waterproof?
Yes.
Oh,
And
wow.
you know, your skin feels clean pero it doesn't feel dry to the point
It
na
doesn't feel
parang...
stripped off.
Yes.
I get that feeling.
Yes, diba? So it's important na you get to clean your skin but your skin stays moisturized and hydrated. So pagka-focus mo ng face mo, talagang glowing ka na agad.
Correct. Oo,
Yes.
kasi alam mo, well, I'm sure you've experienced yourself, Janino, but for me, there are some cleansers that are just so heavy with the ingredients, diba? Na parang you feel like sometimes the natural things that are coming from your skin, it gets stripped off also, like the natural oils, and that's not healthy at all.
That's true.
Diba?
Yes.
But BO10, hindi siya ganon.
No, hindi siya ganun.
Okay.
And BO10 is really proud about the Hydro XL line because it can keep your skin moisturized and hydrated for up to 72 hours. So talagang your skin will stay hydrated, which is also important to keep your skin glowing,
And supple.
radiant, supple, youthful,
Yes.
which which is what we all want. And speaking of youthful, diba guys, they say that the first signs of aging can be seen around your eyes. So it's so important to really take care of your eyes and the skin around your eyes. So my other favorite product from the Bioten Hydro XL line is the eye gel cream.
Ooh, okay.
Yes, so I bring
Ano
this.
ba yun?
Wait lang.
Andyan ba
Ito,
siya? Ayan,
Ito.
okay.
The Hydro XL. Yes, depuffing and dark circles reduction eye gel cream. So,
Eye gel, okay.
nakasulat na dito, depuffing and dark circle reduction, which is so important to look youthful and glowing. And skincare is self-care, diba?
It
So,
is.
it's very, very important for your whole well-being to take care of your skin.
I love that they actually mentioned the depuffing effect of this product specifically
Yes.
because for me, for example, like if kulang ako sa tulog, puyat ako, or let's say I eat salty food, or diet, by the way, it really does affect the way our skin looks.
Yeah.
So, nagpa-puff siya, especially
That's
sa
true.
eyes,
Yes.
right? So, I love, makatry nga.
Yes.
Oo, makatry nga. Pupunta ako sa Bioten booth later on, which
Yes.
is located here, by the way.
Get this, guys.
Oo.
Talagang, dinala ko din to sa Singapore kasi nanonood ako ng Taylor Swift. Eh, di ba mas mainit? Hello, Swifties! Shout out, Swifties! Eh, di ba mas mainit pa doon kesa dito? And
Oo.
talagang this really stood the test of heat and time and like
Okay.
sweat and pakikipagsapalaran sa concert. Talagang you're still glowing and radiant. So guys, you need to check this out.
Instagram mo, glowing ka pa rin, no?
Ah, thank you.
All things to Bioten, di ba? Alright, well, you guys heard it from Janine herself. So if you guys want to have hydrated skin like Janine, try out the Hydro XL available at the Bioten booth right now. And we also, by the way, got promos that you guys don't want to miss. You can also try the AI hydration quiz at the booth, and it will recommend the perfect Bioten product for your skin. Syempre, technology tayo today. Okay, so now that we've got our skincare covered, thanks to Janine, of course, get excited. Ito na for our next guest. May guest tayo.
Yes.
Okay, aside from Janine, of course. So our guest performer is a gifted artist with a unique medium of art using mud. Yes, you guys heard it right. Mud. He was a semi-finalist in Pilipinas Got Talent Season 5. He won multiple impressive awards all over the world and has appeared in shows like Talentadong Pinoy and Unang Hirit. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the first and only Asia's mud shadow artist performer, Mr. Percy Denono.